You've worked hard to drive traffic to your website. You've optimized for search engines, crafted engaging content, and built a loyal following. But are you maximizing the revenue potential of every single visitor? Many website owners overlook a powerful monetization tool: push notifications. By integrating push notifications into your website, you can unlock a new stream of income without disrupting the user experience. Traditional advertising methods like banner ads can be intrusive and detract from the user experience. Push notifications, on the other hand, offer a non-intrusive way to engage your audience and generate revenue. When implemented strategically, push notifications can become a valuable asset in your monetization strategy. Push notifications are clickable messages that are delivered directly to a user's device, even when they're not actively browsing your website. These notifications appear on their desktop or mobile device, providing a direct line of communication with your audience. But how do push notifications translate into revenue? By partnering with a cashback platform and embedding their code into your website, you can start earning money every time a user subscribes to push notifications. The process is simple. A user visits your website, sees a prompt to subscribe to receive exclusive deals and offers, and upon subscribing, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Your users get access to valuable deals, and you generate revenue from their engagement. One of the most significant advantages of monetizing with push notifications is the seamless integration process. You don't need to revamp your website or spend hours on complicated setups. Embedding the code is quick and easy, requiring minimal technical expertise. Once integrated, the push notification prompt blends seamlessly with your website's design, ensuring a non-intrusive user experience. You have complete control over the appearance and timing of the prompt, allowing you to customize it to match your brand and audience preferences. This non-disruptive approach ensures that your monetization efforts don't come at the expense of user satisfaction. Section 4. Unlocking unlimited earning potential. The beauty of push notification monetization lies in its unlimited earning potential. Unlike traditional advertising models where revenue is often capped or limited, push notifications offer a scalable solution. As your website traffic grows and more users subscribe to your notifications, your earning potential increases accordingly. Every new subscriber represents an opportunity to generate revenue. By consistently providing valuable deals and offers through your push notifications, you can encourage repeat engagement and maximize your earnings. The more engaged your subscribers are, the higher your revenue potential becomes. Section 5. Growing your revenue with every click. Push notifications offer more than just a one-time earning opportunity. By strategically leveraging this channel, you can drive traffic back to your website, increasing user engagement and creating multiple avenues for revenue generation. Include links in your push notifications that direct users to specific pages on your website, such as product pages, blog posts, or landing pages. This targeted approach not only drives traffic but also enhances the user experience by providing them with relevant and valuable content. By driving traffic back to your website, you increase the chances of conversions, whether it's a sale, a sign-up, or any other desired action. Push notifications become a powerful tool for driving your overall business growth. Section 6. Embrace the future of website monetization. In today's digital landscape, it's more crucial than ever to explore innovative and effective ways to monetize your website traffic. Push notifications offer a unique opportunity to generate revenue without compromising user experience. By embracing this strategy, you can unlock a new stream of income, enhance user engagement, and drive your website's growth. The integration process is seamless, the earning potential is unlimited, and the benefits are undeniable. Don't miss out on the opportunity to maximize your website's revenue potential. Embrace the power of push notifications and watch your earnings soar.